guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Christy Joy. For those of you who do not know, this is going to be an AliExpress and a Shein accessory haul. So pretty much I'm just going to be reviewing some headbands that I purchased off of these websites just to kind of like, you know, accessorize my outfits a little more. Sometimes just adding something so little can make your outfit be like, whoa, that is a super cute outfit. So without further ado, we're going to jump into this video, but before we do that, please, I would hope that you guys can like and subscribe just so that you can stay in tuned on all the things that I will be posting on my channel. So stay tuned. All right, so our first headband is going to be this pearl headband. It is really cute. It was really cheap and I just loved it so much. The only problem that I would have with the headband is that it doesn't have any form of a grip. So when placing it in your head, you hear that? It will kind of roll out. So we can go ahead and place this in our head, like so, like this. And you know, boom, hello. Who is she? I'll tell you who she is. She's Christy Joy. She has a YouTube channel. Like and subscribe, okay? Just kidding, no, seriously. But yes, this is a really cute headband. You can definitely wear it in many different occasions. I really love it. Definitely add this to your cart. Information would be linked down below, so be sure to read, okay? The next headband that we have from AliExpress is going to be a headband that was featured on my channel a while back. I'm not really sure that I did a tutorial or told you guys, but I think I did leave the information down below. But here's a full tutorial haul, whatever you want to call it, on these headbands. It's a braided headband. It has kind of like silk material. At the bottom it has these to kind of like, you know, protect so that it won't be like pressing against your ear. This is one of my favorites because the color is just bomb.com. Like, you can't tell me that this is not the bomb. So I'm gonna go ahead and place that in my head like this. And oh my goodness, I don't know why I'm acting surprised like I don't own this already, but it's just so pretty. I feel like it goes with every skin tone, just, you know, just depending on how you decide to dress it up. So let me know what you think down below, with the information being linked down below too, so that you guys can know if this is something that you're interested in. The next headband is somewhat similar to the one that I showed you before. It's kind of like a green, like a blue green, I don't know. But it has grip in the inside. It also has these coverings on the end too, so that it can be like, you know, kind of gentle around your ear area. So when placing it in your head, it's braided. It's kind of like velvet material. So this is what it looks like. Just lovely. It's really cute. Like, look at, like, have you guys been paying attention to my outfit? I mean, I chose the white so that it can be a clean look, so that you guys can kind of see how it contrasts with all of the headbands. And this goes with every look. It goes with every look. So freaking cute. Information will be linked down below. The next ones, these are like phenomenal. They're phenomenal because they're kind of more of the extra side. Like, if you're really trying to be like luxury, like couture, like, you know, just like I'm rich, you know what I mean? Like, so this is a multicolored diamonds on me dancing. Actually, rhinestones, whatever they are, but it's multicolored, really cute. This does not have any grip, so you know, I feel like it will stay in your head. We can go ahead and put it in our head. These were also really cheap, really inexpensive headbands from AliExpress. AliExpress does take some time. I am based in the US, so it can take up to 2 to 4 weeks, just depending on where you're located. So tread with caution. Understand that you do have to have patience. What I do when I purchase stuff off of AliExpress, I kind of just like put it, I paid for it, I act like I never bought it, so that when I do get it in the mail, you know, it's kind of like a surprise, like, oh, I want a gift for me. So that was tangent. So this is the next headband. It's diamonds, silver. Also has, like, you know, the rhinestones going on. Also does not have a grip going on there, so It's kind of like the one that we just saw. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my head like so, like this. And y'all, like, is it speaking to you? Cause it spoke to me. Like I'm seeing what I'm seeing, and I'm like, do you not want this headband? Do you not want this headband? If you want this headband, just go ahead and add it to your cart. Like, I already did the homework for you. Like, this is credible. Like, are we catching a vibe right now? Because I'm vibing with every headband that I just, you know, put on my head. Definitely get it. But yeah, y'all, this is the AliExpress headbands. Those were all of the AliExpress headbands that I purchased. Once again, it took about like 2 to 4 weeks depending on each one, but definitely worth the purchase. They were really cheap. Stay tuned for the Shein one. All right, so these next ones, they are from Shein. These two came in a set, so I purchased it. It was really cheap to get 2 for the price that I paid, which I don't really know off the top of my dome, but like I said, I will link that information down below because I want you guys to be able to, like, you know, experience. Even if you don't find what I purchased, at least you can find something similar. So these were the 2 headbands that I got. Really cute. They're kind of small. It's kind of like leather, pew leather. I don't know. But they both have the bottom ends that also kind of, like, you know, prevent the headband from hurting. So I'm gonna go ahead and try this brown one on, cause baby, brown is beautiful. Okay. Like, look at this. Like, y'all, like, really cute. I don't know why I'm making sound effects. Like, what is really wrong with me? Sorry guys, forgive me. This is the next one. It is like a pink leather kind of thing going on here. And take a moment, just take a moment, like, absorb the energy that is being, you know, released. Absorb it. Like, hello. Do you see this? Do you see it? Because I do. I really do. These headbands are just like the bomb. Okay. I know y'all believe me because you see it. Like, you see it, you saw it. Next is this other headband. It also came in a set, but I gave one away. So, you know, being kind to others, you know. But this is cute, black, you know what I'm saying, because sometimes we need to just add black to our wardrobe. But boom, hello, like the rhinestones, like, y'all, do you see how my outfit has, like, changed based on quality? Like, I went from being like, oh, simple chic, to like, dang, she got money. All because of a headband. I'm telling you. Get you a headband. Because I've already done the homework. Just add it to your cart. But y'all, just, you know, absorb it. Absorb the energy that I'm giving you guys, because I really want you guys to, like, take your outfits up. Like, you know what I'm saying? Take your outfits up. Sometimes you just want to be simple. Like, just put on a tank top and some jeans with some shoes. Put a headband on and boom. What, girl? Where you going? Where you stepping on people's necks at, girl? Like, you know what I'm saying? That's just, it is what it is. Okay, sorry. This one's gold. I didn't even show it to you guys. But it has like beads, if you can see. It's gold because you saw that I had like a silver rhinestone. I had the multicolored one. So, you know, if you have silver, you're also gonna need gold, right? So I decided to get this headband because, like, it's what I need in my wardrobe. So it's amazing. I have one more headband that's really nice. I did not do these headbands in any particular order because all of them are great, obviously, because you'll see them. So this one's the pearls. It has different variations of pearls, big and small. Really cute. Does not have any grip to this headband. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on for you guys. I don't know, I get so excited sometimes when I'm talking. So if I'm talking like a lot, sorry. I'm just so excited because I want you guys to have headbands as well. But boom, y'all, do you see these headbands, y'all? So I just hope that you guys really enjoyed this haul for headbands. It's a haul for headbands. I really hope you guys like this because it's definitely going to take your outfits up a whole nother notch. Like, it's going to basically make people turn their heads and be like, girl, like, can we be best friends? Like, girl, can you be my wife? Girl. You know what I'm saying? Like, depending on who your crowd is. Like, you know what I'm saying? It doesn't really matter. But people are just gonna be like, oh my God, like, where did you get that from? And then you can tell them, like, go to Christy Joy's YouTube, because she's the one who dropped the gems for all of us to go and purchase our own headbands, you know what I'm saying? So, okay, let me stop, guys. But I really hope that you guys enjoyed this haul for real. And I hope that you guys can also take that opportunity to, like, you know what I'm saying, like and subscribe. Also, leave your comments down below based off of which headband was your favorite. Because, like, you know what I'm saying, like, I want to know what you guys thought of my selections. If you love them, definitely comment down below. Also, follow me on social media. Like, you know what I'm saying, I engage with my audience because I love you guys. I love you guys so much because you guys are getting stuff that, you know, I took the ability to just, you know what I'm saying, like, do my research. So I want to make sure that you get top quality, worth your coin. Okay, so you know that it does not cost much to be cheap and cute, because and I'm cute. Okay, so catch you guys next time. See you soon. Bye.